Hi guys, just in succession to the squat video, I'm just going to show you a side view for the technique that we use to correct if the trunk is over leaning forward in your squat technique. So it just might be a bit easier to understand. So we said we're going to use the wall for this. So if you want to sit down to whatever point is comfortable, you don't have to go all the way down because that's a little bit strenuous on the joint when you're starting. So about halfway down. So this is where the knees are straight, slide down the wall and you can lean forward and walk out the feet. So they're about 2.5 feet away from the wall. Sit into it where you feel comfortable. Quite a big load on the legs for this one. So as I was saying earlier, some people tend to lean forward a little bit too much into their squat when we ask people to sit a bit lower. So they overcompensate by leaning forward out of it. So in this position, if you find that that's something that happens to you, and you could check yourself in the mirror, you just allow your hands float out in front of your chest. You're going to lean forward and then see, can you just bring yourself back towards the wall, sit a bit lower and lean forward. Bring yourself back toward the wall and lean forward. Bring yourself back toward the wall and lean forward. Now it's helpful to have the mat underneath your feet or be barefoot on a carpet. If you're using socks on a wooden floor, you will slip and it'll be hard to get grip. So I'm just leaning forward and then sitting a little bit more back. Now remember, in the squat we're not directly upright over our hips either. There is that slight lean forward, but it's just some people go a little bit too far. So if you can come, this is an exercise to help orientate yourself a little bit more. And the wall just is a helpful external cue to lean back towards. So after you've done that, then just sit down into your squat and see, can you do it without the wall. Now what tends to happen sometimes is the hips drift up, your bum drifts up a little bit, and that's okay. Just see if you can come back, get that sense of the movement. Lovely. Quite a big workout on the quads and glutes there. Okay, so I hope that helps.